Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Sign into Google and enable location so photos geotag accurately. Then choose a 360 degrees camera or a phone with good stabilization and at least 2K resolution. This matters for clarity and acceptance. Once done, install the Street View app and allow camera, storage, and location permissions. Make sure automatic upload is enabled. This gets you ready to capture correctly formatted panoramas and to begin building the photo sphere workflow efficiently. Now focus on capture technique and quality control. Mount a tripod, enable HDR or manual exposure, and shoot overlapping frames so stitching is seamless. Make sure GPS signal is strong and check orientation and stitch previews in the app. This reduces rejects. Once stitched, inspect metadata, date, time, and coordinates and perform small edits. Correct exposure, fix obvious stitching, then export in the accepted format. These steps improve acceptance rates and presentable client results. Finally, publish your panoramas with accurate placement and tags. Indoors should be labeled indoor and include precise pin placement for businesses. Build a trusted profile by meeting Google requirements and accumulating published views in your portfolio to attract clients. If uploads are rejected, don't panic. Verify GPS coordinates, intact metadata, sufficient resolution, and stitching quality. Restitch or recapture the scene if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: always compare the app stitch preview to the exported file before publishing to catch issues early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.